Philadelphia. And yes, we have labeled it the blizzard of '96 because that's what it is. Because that's what it is. Because that's what it is.
The winds are going to pick up, and it's going to get worse.
It's 5:10. I think they said we have like 18 inches now. $22.5. 22.5. Hey, Eskimo.
What? Let's see what your mail looks like. It's white. It's white. Boy, there's some small snowdrifts there. Yeah. Take care of that mailbox now.
I got evacuated.
You did?
Yeah.
How'd you like it in the clubhouse?
I didn't stay.
He stayed at my house. I don't blame you. I told my wife I was going to go to the motel. My stack was at least higher. Where they? Where is it? What we got?
I'm already 13 inches.
That's just
13.
right. Not where I'm standing though.
Where you're standing.
You need a yardstick. Well, I could say the yard is full of snow.
I would say the yard is very much filled. I hope my house is okay. Take a look at that vent.
Where's the mailbox? Oh. The mailbox is like way... It's real high right here and the mailbox is way back there. Not good. Oh, the flute's open now up there. See, that was blocked with snow. All the snow's blown off, so it's safe. Okay. Hello, Con. There's your post office. Somebody was here and done something. Very little. Oh man, this is right in front of the gate. Oh, look at these trucks. Jesus. They haven't cleaned one thing back here. Right here, 89. Here it is. No, I don't know what's that. No, I think it's that one. Whoa, look at this. Hello, postal trucks. Ain't been nobody here to clean you off. Go stand over here near that snowdrift. It's got to be about 2.5 feet right there. I don't know what they did with the plow.
Hey, the plow's gonna get stuck in here. No.
Whoa, look at the, where's the tire out in there, man? Look. Where's the tires at?
Steals our car.
How the hell? They'll never get these pieces of junk out of here. Look at that one.
Where?
Back there. By itself.
Oh my God.
Go stand in front of the truck. Sorry, there'll be no mail service today. Man, where's the tires on these things? Jesus. I can't believe there's no mail today.
He got 2 nostrils.
We gotta make a couple eyes up there, look.
There's a big smiley face.
Down there somewhere is a wheel. Good luck. It'll take hours to get these all out of here. Hours. And you'll plow big time. Gotta move these all out of the way. Where's my mail? I'm looking for my check. I'm looking for my epic man. Where's my sweepstakes? Well, Con, do you feel any better yet? Do you think you missed anything? Okay. Yeehaw! Oh my God! It's up to my hip here.
Good forever.
It's deep, man.
Good forever.
No mail! No mail! You can't appreciate how deep it is in front of this gate. But the poor preparation. There hasn't been a plow by here in hours. Since yesterday, maybe sometime. Nobody's done anything here.
Yeah, they couldn't get them in here. The last 4 postal workers that worked, they had to park down there.